Hi everyone, really thrilled to be with you today and thank you for joining us on our very first Middle East Africa Partner Summit. As the Partner Business and Development Lead, I like to say OCP Go-to-Market is responsible for accelerating your success by aligning the right people, programs, and investments across the life cycle to capture the broadest possible market opportunity. In other words, going to market with Microsoft resources is a competitive differentiator. In Middle East Africa, we've simplified the go-to-market pillars to help you as our partners by one, building technical expertise and commercial capability in partnership with our OCP technical team, where in FY20 alone, our partner ecosystem certified almost 7,000 Microsoft professionals spanning across 3 solution areas. 2, generating partner-led opportunities and demand, which resulted in over 5,000 leads just last year and resulting 1,300 co-sell wins. And 3, by amplifying our partner ecosystem and engagement by connecting with each other, growing their business, and driving digital transformation and success for our customers. Today, we have a vast partner ecosystem featuring organizations from big and small, legacy and cloud native, from startups to established players, and one of the biggest requests is help in co-marketing and co-selling of their solutions to drive mutual customer acquisition. For you, as our partners, to unlock sustainable growth and profitability, it's vital to understand the progression you can go through as part of the Microsoft Partner Network. While a majority of our partners have engaged with one or more elements of this process, over time it is critical for you as partners to have a holistic view of this journey and to understand how each piece factors into your mutual success of the organization and as the network as a whole. Now, once your solution is ready, it's important to shift gears and plan for an effective launch into the marketplace. There are many unique variables associated with going to market that can make navigating this process tricky, but it's important to get it right. As you all know very well, execution can determine the overall success or failure of a new offering. The new norm has forced both customers and partners to become more reliant than ever on their digital strategy, or at least to create one. According to Christine Moorman, founder and director of the CMO survey, marketers have reported an 85% increase in openness among customers to new digital offerings introduced during these unprecedented times. And marketing as a function has increased in importance. Moorman states, marketing sits at the center of corporate response to these challenges as companies shift their go-to-market activities. This shift is reflected by the need to accelerate lead generation and cloud customer acquisition at scale. You now have access to new digital marketing campaigns to support a robust and integrated go-to-market plan for your Microsoft Azure, Dynamics 365, and Microsoft 365 solutions. Key sales plays have been prioritized to support the modern work and security, apps and infra, data and AI, and business application solution areas. Sales plays will be promoted via our Digital Central marketing channels, including digital marketing content on demand, and modern digital marketing technologies such as our new through-channel marketing automation platform. Partner Marketing Center and Chorus Content Hub will be leveraged to deliver at scale. We've also launched Partner Center, a personalized digital experience that streamlines a number of processes and provides a central hub to manage your relationship with Microsoft, customers, and other partners. Also, the commercial marketplace is the heart of how you and customers connect, offering customers thousands of services and applications built and delivered by partners. Our focus around solution area anchors our selling process with customers. This approach supports and guides you in navigating relevant go-to-market priorities. The following key sales plays have been prioritized to support 3 solution areas. Sales plays will be leveraged to deliver at scale and by segment. You'll hear more about these priorities in the next session. All of our partners have access to a wealth of marketing resources that can help strengthen your connections with other organizations, and even more materials become available when you grow your partnership with Microsoft. Thank you for the continued partnership, and let's have an awesome FY21.
Hello, Microsoft partners. Welcome to Maya Virtual Partners Summit. Although it would have been great to have this event in person and have you in front of me instead of my laptop, I'm still grateful that we can connect virtually and have this event, thanks to our amazing technologies and platform. I am Ayşe Altay, and I'm the Regional Partner Marketing Advisor for Modern Work and Security. Before I go into my presentation, I'd like to start with a big thank you for the work you've done in FY20. Last year was a very challenging and unique year for all of us, where we all got impacted. We had to rethink the way we connect, we work, and we live. You were impacted as well as our customers. However, looking back, I'd like to say that I'm truly amazed and humbled for your partnership and the great impact you provided for our customers and communities. So again, thank you. Today, I'll try to bring some clarity on what our plans are for FY21 regarding modern work and security. I'll talk about the opportunity for you, our partners, and what are the different resources and investments that we are putting in place to help us collectively drive execution and success. Let's look a little back into the history now. So Microsoft 365 was announced 3 years ago during Inspire time. Our ambition back then was to empower a new and more integrated way of working for our customers. In the past 3 years, a lot of changes has happened and we've been in this transformational journey together. Now, Microsoft 365 has evolved into a fully integrated and intelligent platform with building security that empower people to create, collaborate, and communicate. For the time ahead, we have 3 main business priorities. Over the past few months, with the new global crisis of a pandemic, our main focus was on our first priority, which is helping organizations respond to crisis by enabling secure remote work. We worked on enabling secured customer working environments with products like Teams, Azure Active Directory Premium, and new devices. Many of you have used your expertise to get customers enabled to work securely from their home and created amazing customer stories here. Now, especially our customers who have not yet migrated to cloud need this expertise of yours the most. This is where we will lead with Teams. We are delivering new, pretty cool features to Teams like Together Mode, 7x7 Gallery View, increased capacity for more than 1,000 people in meetings, and breakout rooms. Now we are shifting in the next period to help customers recover their businesses by reducing cost and managing risk. The time ahead still has a lot of unclarity and uncertainty for all of us, and this new market reality will have an impact on customers' budget. They will have to consider how they will organize their workforce as well as their physical working environment in terms of cutting their costs. This is where we will go big with phone systems and help customers address vendor consolidations with our security and compliance offerings. We will focus on end-to-end security, including Azure security as well. Finally, our third priority is to help customers reimagine the way they work, reimagine their future, and transform organizational productivity. Here, we will focus on field core areas of innovation with investments like knowledge and insights, and new platforms like Power Apps. The goal is to help customers to build organizational resilience and agility through better employee experience and engagement. We will work on empowering first-line workers with relevant tools and data to support across the organization all employees independent of the function. With this in mind, there are 8 areas opportunity for you to jointly go to market with Microsoft for modern work and security next year. This starts with the opportunity around driving Teams meetings and calling. With new features, we want to drive the best way of connection and collaboration to our customers. New Teams devices will help you extending your offering and solution to the customers regarding Teams. As remote working continues, customers are now more vulnerable to challenges in terms of security. So we will work on driving end-to-end intelligent security with our customers, including Microsoft 365 security components as well as Azure security. We've seen an acceleration in identity, and this is really around the need from customers to be able to work remotely in a secure manner. Cloud management for devices is also an important area, as we think more and more of our customers will have large workforces connecting from remote workplaces. Building Teams platform and Power Platform solutions will be one of our leading efforts in transforming organizational productivity. We will focus on enabling customers to digitize their business processes and empower first-line workers. Here, differentiating your applications by industry will be very important, as all industries' needs are different, especially in this time of COVID-19. During these phases, we will work with you and support you in building those solutions and taking them to the market. What are the key areas to focus from programs and investments perspective? I'd like to start with cloud accelerators. Cloud Accelerator program landed within FY20. This is a centrally driven program by Corp, which works on a first-come, first-served basis. It is a partner investment program which supports your one-to-one customer workshop activity on different modern work-related scenarios. Last year in MEA, thanks to our partners, there were more than 800 workshops completed with this program. This year, we will work on doubling this number together. So in FY21, cloud accelerators will be one of our main focus areas in terms of go-to-market, with some changes in the program. First of all, there are some new workshop types added. So this year, you will be able to drive secure remote work, security, compliance, and identity, and Teams meetings, calling, and applications and solutions workshops with this program. You will be able to receive up to $3,500 per workshop, depending on the workshop type. And for the add-ons of Sentinel and device management workshops, you will be getting an additional $1,500, adding up to $5,000 in total. Please keep in mind that this program applies to a select list of customers and partners who comply with the eligibility criteria. For more information, please visit the program portal and understand better how you can be part of this initiative and leverage this in FY21. Now let's move into online usage incentives. As you know, as modern work and security, we are not only responsible to drive build revenue, but adoption and usage as well. Online usage incentive rewards partners for helping customers successfully deploy and adopt Microsoft 365 workloads. Last year, the program's focus was mainly on Teams. Starting in October this year, the focus will be on Teams advanced workloads, which are Teams meetings, Teams phone systems, and Teams applications and solutions, as well as some new E5 advanced security workloads. Our fast-track partners, as well as our certain competency partners, can benefit from this program. Please visit the partner incentive portal or engage with your local Microsoft teams to better understand the terms and conditions of the program, and try leveraging this while you are working on usage and adoption with your customers. Finally, advanced specializations. So during FY20 Q4, there were 4 new advanced specializations that landed for modern work. Those are meetings and meeting rooms, calling, adoption and change management, and teamwork deployment. Advanced specialization is a new level of competency for our modern workplace partners. So our partners with Gold Cloud productivity competency will be able to achieve those advanced specializations by reaching to certain additional KPIs. Our advanced specialization partners will be having a customer-facing label displayed on their business profile, gain access to specific go-to-market programs, and be prioritizing customer search in the Microsoft Partner Directory. During FY21, there will be additional advanced specializations planned to be launched for modern work and security. And those advanced specializations will be highly important in terms of defining our prioritized partners for driving investments and go-to-market motions with. So I highly recommend you to start working on getting those advanced specializations as of today and start leading the market. Having said that, this will be end of my presentation. I'd like to thank you all for listening to me and being part of this great virtual summit. I'm looking forward to a great year together.